Pro Chef Smart Brief gives me the information I need for not only baking and pastry, but for the entire industry. And the King Arthur release of their new sustainable flour really caught my attention. So we went to the King Arthur headquarters and we went shopping, and I bought some, and I want to tell you all about it. Regeneratively grown climate blend flour was right at the front of the store. It's made in partnership with Washington State University and the Bread Lab. It's as close to locally grown as any large-scale company could be. So it's a blend of whole wheat flour, so it's going to have a nice, rich, nutty flavor, tender texture, and they tell you can use it for breads, muffins, and scones. The home baker, you're going to have to trust that things are a little different between your all-purpose flour and a whole wheat flour like this. But if you're not used to using whole wheat, this isn't going to be your favorite flour. King Arthur is always there with the help. They have the Baker's Hotline, and you can look things up on their website. These are some recommended recipes. They have a page that explains how you can make substitutions. So their goal by 2030 is to have all of their flour grains grown in this manner. It's available in these 32-ounce packages. It's about the same price as regular flour that they sell. It's available at Whole Foods and on Amazon. And if you're using it, just use it like you would whole wheat. And if you end up using it, know that you're supporting this kind of agriculture in the future. And if King Arthur, who's a leader in this sort of innovation, is doing this, we can encourage more people to get involved, to treat the land better, and to make a really great tasting product.